What's up, everybody? My name is Dana Harris with Young Gurus Math Tutoring, and I'm back again to drop some more math jewels. Today I'm going to be going over some examples of how to apply the rules or properties of exponents. They're also called laws of exponents. And so the first rule that we're going to apply is the product rule. And what this rule tells us is that if we have some expression, a to the m power times some next expression, a to the n power, then we can simply take, since they have the same base, we can say a to the m plus n power. All right, now let's get into some examples because sometimes we need to understand what these variables represent. Okay, so example 1. If I have 6 to the second power times 6 to the 7th power, then basically based upon this rule, I can have, since they have the same base, I have 6 to the 2 plus 7 power. Okay, so all I have to do is add those exponents. All right, so that gives me 6 to the 9th power, and we're done. In this case, we don't need to necessarily calculate what 6 to the 9th power is. It's a very large number. All right, so let's try another example. Let's say we have -2 times -2 to the 3rd power. All right, once again, they have the same base. Now notice this first -2, it doesn't have an exponent on it. And when a number does not have an exponent on it, it's considered to be to the 1 power. So this is -2 to the 1 plus 3 power. Remember, once again, even though this 2 doesn't have an exponent on it, it's understood to be to the 1 power. Okay, so if I have -2 to the 1 plus 3 power, then I still keep the same base, -2, and then 1 plus 3 is 4. So here we end up with -2 to the 4th power. Another example could be, let's say we have a fraction. Let's say we have 2/3 to the 6th power times 2/3 to the 5th power. All right, and based upon the rule, they have the same base. We're going to take them and say 2/3 to the 6 plus 5 power, which is simply 2/3 to the 11th power. So once again, the rule tells us that if we have two exponent terms with the same base and we're multiplying them together, we can keep that same base and simply add the exponents. And that is the product rule of exponents. Young Gurus Math Tutoring, I got the solution to your math problems.